Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I would like to share about
Are you getting all the vitamins you need? Here are 5 essential vitamins you might be missing. First up, vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin. It boosts mood and immunity, but can be hard to get in colder months. Then there's vitamin B12, crucial for energy, often found in animal products, so vegetarians may need a little extra. Vitamin C is great for immunity and skin health. Think oranges and strawberries. Don't forget magnesium for muscle relaxation and better sleep. And finally, vitamin K for strong bones and healthy blood flow, often found in leafy greens. Adding these vitamins can help you feel energized, focused, and ready to take on the day.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips.